Okay, everybody, good morning, everybody. Tell me, everybody, how are you and how are you doing? I think you all are awesome. So that's the great. So right now I'm walking on the alley. So it's a very small alley I'm walking, and where I am here right now, I am in the field. Yes, I am in the field. So it's all about paddy fields. You know that it's all about paddy fields. So, however, everything is fine. It's okay. So you know that you have already watched some videos, and then I want to make a video, create some video. It's different from that day, and right now, okay. So that's the great. It's my opportunity. You know that everybody. I'm a teacher also. You know that I have been a teacher for 5 years. You know that already, and right now I teach an English language. So I taught thousand of plus student, 5,000 plus of student in India. You know that they all are from other state, and they all are very happy. And right now, you know that I'm also very good. Thanks a lot. You know that however, right now the sun rise in the east side. So this is called, you can say, in the east side, and west side, and this is called left side. You can say right side, east, west, north, south, you can say. Okay, and why I create everyday videos, because I want to improve my English language. When I try to speak English language, that times I stuck, you know that already. So that's why I try to create some videos, make some videos, different places. So that's the reason of my thoughts, you know that. So right now I am under the tree. I'm standing under the tree. So you can see these all are paddy fields, and you can say it's growing in this time. It is growing on right now. After 1 month it has done, and its color will be a difference, yellow colors, because right now this color, it is green color, you can say. Okay, so that's the great. You can say, oh my god, one thing I would like to show you. One thing. See, look, everybody, this is the plant of turmeric. Yeah, turmeric, you know that turmeric. So which have you used every day when you cook some foods in that times. Then so this is the turmeric plants. Okay, hello, oh my god, how is it? I think it's a beautiful plants, turmeric plants. Clear? It's a very thin leaves, and oh my god, there are many plants also. So it's all about turmeric plants. Clear? So this is the new words, new sentences you can make. You can try to make every day new sentences, and definitely one day your English language will be improved, and without any hesitation you can speak in English language, you can talk in English language, you can walk in English language. Clear? And right now I'm beside the canal. You can see it's all around. So you can see beside me it's a small canal, and when I 5 years old, in that times I used to come here, and I catch the fishes, many fishes. Say I have already told you. So these all are bamboo tree. Okay, clear? Done. So this is called. So right, every day I try to make a new sentences, and right now, wow, this is called, you can say, water. Okay, water is going outside the river. Okay, and in the canal, not a river, you can say canal. So in the river you can see here these are sands, and you know that when I 5 years old, 10 years old, and in that times with the help of sands, I used to brush my teeth with the help of this thing. I used to brush my teeth every day. So it's all about my childhood, you know that already. And I try to, so these are many holes, you can see here, and you can see here these are many holes. So in this hole I think these are many fishes. Okay, it has many fishes. So right now I don't try to catch some fishes because it is going on my festival Durga Puja, or in that times I don't want to catch some fishes, so that's why I leave it. It's okay. So right now nearby me, you know that my house is nearby me, so it's all around. These are many trees, there are many fields are like you can see here, and after some meter there are my houses there. So right now I am in the village, and I try to make some videos every day, and I try to create some videos because I want to improve my English language. Oh my god, oh that's the great. So that's why right now I'm here in this time making some videos. Clear? So thank you. Next time we will talk about in English language, everybody. So that's the great. Right now I'm walking on the alley. So right now I'm walking the field, but yes, you can say paddy field. Clear? Paddy fields. It's a paddy ground, you can say. In this ground, so these are many plants of the paddy fields. So I am giving you one suggestion, then you should plants, 1 plants, 2 plants, 3 plants. Clear, everybody? Thank you. So right now finally I came here nearby my village, and it's a small village. Oh wow, that's the great. And you know that there are many farmers. So he is working in the field right now, but he's plowing right now in the field. So one farmer is there and also one farmer is there. So what he's doing right now farming's doing. Clear? And that's the great, you know that. Thank you. And you can see oh my god, there is a one, let me check. 1 minute. Everybody, you can see what is there. There is a water tanky, okay, nearby my village. It has planted there, and because I used every day this water, okay. So that's the great. So finally I came here. So this is the amla, you know that what you will speak amla trees. Oh my god, finally I found the amla tree. So how many amlas there? Oh my god, there are many fruits. You can see everybody. Now I try to see here. Now these are many amlas fruits, and one fruit is there. Oh my god, that's the great. Okay, very good. So finally I come here my village. So nearby my village I am here, and just I want to practice my English language, and every day I try to shoot some videos. And so he's my brother, but he's oh my god, why are you going there? He's run away from me. Why? Because I'm creating some videos, so that's why he's going to outside. And this is called, you can see, field. It's all my village houses, and